Hey everybody, today is day 2 of my TV Hutch into kitchen counter renovation, and today is a absolutely beautiful day outside today, so it's perfect for getting the pallet pieces cut down and stained and put on to the new counter. So let's go out to the garage, get the saw set up, and we'll start getting those pieces cut. All right guys, so I got my saw set up and I got my measurements. What I'm gonna do is the pallet pieces I'm gonna cut so they fit vertically in that spot. I feel like it's gonna be a better connection, as it's gonna have more points of contact for the nails to secure to. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be cutting them 32.5 inches tall, and then to fit a 3-foot wide section. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting some stuff, and then we'll get to sanding them and staining them. Let's get to it. So these are the pieces. We got the front side and the back side, both measure 3 feet across. So now all I have to do is sand them down, get rid of the splinters and the grime that's on them, and then we can go ahead and stain them. Alrighty guys, I got all of the pieces sanded smooth, so we're gonna go ahead and start staining them. I am using Mid-Wax Wood Finish Penetrating Stain in Special Walnut. I do almost everything in Special Walnut. It's just what I have and what turns out really nice on pallet wood. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up and get started. Look at how pretty these turned out. Look at all that beautiful green. Oh, I'm so excited. So all of these are done being stained, so we're going to take them in the house and start attaching them to the new kitchen island. I'm so happy with how these turned out. Look at this green. Oh, so pretty. All right, so we got all of the pieces inside, and we're just going to use the nail gun and nail the pieces on in alternating fashion. We have these larger ones and the skinny ones there, so we're just going to alternate a thick one, a skinny one, thick one, skinny one, all the way across. So let's go ahead and make it happen. So here's the back side. It looks really nice. Very happy with it. We might do a trim piece across the top at a later date. But for now, that's all enclosed, and that was my goal for today. So we accomplished it, and it looks good. And here is the other side. We had to do some different configuration of the boards just to get them to all fit properly. I must have had different boards when I measured, and it ended up being different, but it turned out really nice. So I'm really happy with how this TV Hutch turned kitchen island turned out. It was a whole lot easier than I thought it was going to be. And I'm very, very happy with the end result. This is going to be so much more useful now that it is at a reasonable height, and it's just more functional from both sides now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.